Now, back to the action with the dog soldier.
We're gonna get through the day and start night hunting. We're just gonna do what we always do. We're not gonna be seen, heard, or smelled. We're gonna make good, solid stands, and that's exactly what you have to do no matter where you're at or what you're doing. You have to make good, solid stands. Sit back and watch this. It's very important. That wind's kind of blowing in my face right here. We got a big old cattle pasture right here. I'm gonna fire up the 5RB. I think I seen something here. Hold on. Oh, right here, right here, right here. Right here, right here. Shiny. Got him. Yes. Whew. That's what I'm talking about. Billy, did you get that good? So I seen something, I thought, and I'm scanning, then boom. We popped the light over here and he's just standing there. We picked him up real quick and killed him, so. Pretty textbook. I'm gonna go grab him, it's cold. Oh yeah. Bad luck. Whew. Look at this coyote, guys. Oh. Whew. It is, it's cold. It's a cold stand, pretty textbook. I picked up some movement with the OD over here, and I didn't see no eyes, but I kept thinking I seen a critter over there, and I kept looking, and finally, I went ahead and called it. And then we was looking for that one and shining the light over here, and this one was just standing there. Whew, made a good solid shot. Dead right there. I'm digging it. The OD40, as always, is right where we want it to be. Ooh. I'm digging it. Let's go get some more.
Stay tuned for more of the dog soldier